If you're experiencing a verification pending status with CenterState Bank NA, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure that you have checked your email for any messages from CenterState Bank. They may have sent you a verification link or additional instructions that need your attention. Step 2. Log into your account. Access your CenterState Bank account through their official website or mobile app. Make sure you are using the correct login credentials to avoid any access issues. Step 3. Verify your information. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings or profile section. Confirm that all your personal information such as your address, phone number, and identification details are accurate and up to date. Step 4. Resend verification requests. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the issue persists after following the previous steps, reach out to CenterState Bank's customer support. Provide them with your account details and explain the situation to receive further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending status efficiently. If you encounter any further issues, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.